addition of positive integers using number line. Example, evaluate the following showing answers on a number line. A. 10 plus 40. B. 200 plus 600. Solution. To do this as it is expressed, 10 plus 40, you first show what type of integers the individual ones are. This is a positive integer plus 10. And we are to perform addition. And we're adding plus 10 to plus 40. The next thing is to show this on a number line. You draw an horizontal line, of course, with the neutral integer 0. Now, if I go on to write 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand that this line will not be enough to take all the numbers up to 40. And we are adding 10 to 40. And remember that a number line is not supposed to just show numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, but it shows numbers at a regular interval. So you can tweak that interval to suit your question. Since we are working in tens here, I can then go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. The arrow indicates that it continues like that. That is, if I have more space, I could go on to write 80, 90, and so on. That is for the positive side. To the negative side, you repeat the same steps. All these steps has to be regular. That is, I will have negative 10, negative 20, negative 30, negative 40, negative 50, and so on. Now that we have our number line, we can then perform this expression. We have plus 10 plus 40. Always start from the neutral integer 0. Now we are to move in how many space? Remember, the interval is in tens. That is, 10 represents 1 step, 20 represents 2 steps, 30 represents 3 steps, and so on. So since we are going to plus 10, we are only going to go 1 step. So from 0, you go 1 step in this direction, the right, to indicate plus 10. Good. Then we add that to a plus 40. Because you are doing addition, you move in what direction now? Also to the right. Let's add 40. In how many steps, you may ask? Each step is tens. So 40 will represent 4 steps. Good. So let's count 4 steps to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are going from here all the way to this point. And this indicates plus 40. This tells us that plus 10 plus 40 equals wherever you land, in this case, plus 50. Good. Now to do the second expression. We have 200 plus 600. 200 here is a positive integer. 600 is also a positive integer. So we write it as that. Plus 200. And we are performing addition to another number, which is plus 600. Next is to draw your number line. We have our number line. You indicate your neutral integer. Now we are working in hundreds. I cannot do the 10, 20, 30, 40 as I have done here. Because if I do so, this will not even be enough to contain 100, much less 600. You can also tweak the interval in this case and go in steps of hundreds. So that is, my first step would be 100, followed by 200, then 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, and so on. Likewise to the left side for negative integers, also in steps of 100. Negative 100, negative 200, negative 300, negative 400, negative 500. Good. Now, the first thing is to add 200. Since we have moved in steps of 100, plus 200 will only be 2 steps to the right. So starting from 0, you move 2 steps to the right. 1, 2. This indicates plus 200. From where you stop, we are then going to add plus 600, which will be 6 steps to the right of 200. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Always show the direction. Good. This indicates plus 600. That is, plus 200 plus 600 gives us plus 800. Thanks.